So I had a customer bring in an iPad 9, iPad series 9th generation, and it has issues for sure. As you can see, it's already been repaired. Somebody put a white screen on it. The home button's really not popping very well. Okay, so not only that, the LCD is damaged. Let me see if I can get it to turn on. If you can see, the LCD is damaged. There's lines in the screen right here. And then also, it does not charge. I'm pretty sure it needs a new charging port, because whenever you move, see it's charging now, and I'm putting quite a bit of pressure on it. And I've already tried to clean it out. That didn't help at all. You know, there's really nothing in there to clean out, honestly. So what we're going to have to do is open this up, and we're going to have to microsolder a new charging port onto the motherboard. So let's go ahead and get to that. Usually I would try to salvage the screen, but this is a replacement screen, so I don't know. I guess I might as well. Well, no, because I don't know what kind of screen this is, and I'm not going to hand a customer a screen unless I know where the screen came from. So I'll still try to salvage it, and I'm not going to reuse it though. I don't know what I'll do with it. Maybe a customer won't care and I can give them a discount or something to use the screen. I don't know. We'll see. There you have it. I've got it put back together and it is charging. Yes, sir. So now that we have the charging port fixed, we can charge it up. It's actually closing time. So tomorrow I'm going to come back, replace the LCD and the digitizer, get it all put back together, and let the customer know that it's ready to pick up. So yeah, super happy though that it's charging and everything, and we can go forward with the repair now. Super stoked.